Good morning, students. Today we start with lesson number 3, the Judgment Day. If you will look at the value corner, the values that you are going to learn today are justice and prudence. Justice means something which is right, something which is lawful, and prudence means intelligence. And if you will look under the self check, it is written most of the times we become judgmental about others without checking our own ticks. Do check your own neck. Now, what it means is that most of the times we become judgmental about others, that we start forming bad opinion about others, or we start criticizing others without checking our own behavior. Sometimes we criticize others for the mistakes that we ourselves do. So we have no right to criticize others because nobody is perfect in this world. Even we are not perfect. So we are also making mistakes. So we have no right to criticize others or to judge others. So let's start with the story. It says, long, long ago, there lived in a village a man named Denny. So, this is a story about a man, Denny, who lived in a village. The people of his village were loving, caring, and friendly. They led a pious and virtuous life. So, all the villagers were leading a very pious and virtuous means a very religious life. So all the people in his village were very loving, caring, friendly, and they were very religious people. Only Denny was a troublemaker. Troublemaker means the person who was causing problems and difficulties for others. So only this Denny was a person who was a troublemaker in the village and troubling others. He was forever teasing someone or the other. A villager by the name Venki lived in the same village. One day, Denny said to Venki, "Remember, you have borrowed 10,000 rupees from me? Return it now." Hearing this, Venki got very scared. "I have not borrowed anything from you. Why are you saying so?" Denny replied, "Just a month back, I had a dream in which you asked me for a loan. Then I lent you 10,000 rupees." So Denny told Venki that he had given him the money in his dreams. He said, "Just a month back, you had come in my dreams and asked for a loan, and I have given you the 10,000 rupees in the dreams, so that money I want back." Perplexed, Venki approached the village court with his problem. So Venki was very confused and very puzzled. So he went to the village court with his problem. The judge was a wise and prudent man. So the judge over there, he was a very clever and intelligent person. He said to Venki, "Don't worry, come and attend court meeting after 2 days." So that judge called Venki after 2 days. 2 days later, the folks of the village were seated under a banyan tree. So who are the folks? Folks means all the villagers, the people of the village. So after 2 days, he called all the villagers, and all the villagers were sitting under the banyan tree to attend the court meeting, and the jury members sat on a raised platform. So while the jury members, all the people who were going to judge this matter, all the jury members, they were sitting on the raised platform, the higher platform, and while all the villagers were sitting on the ground. You can see in the picture, the judge said, "Bring a large mirror and place it in this court." A large mirror was brought and propped against the banyan tree. So what did the judge do? He asked the people to bring a very large mirror, and he propped means he kept it against the banyan tree so that it could not fall. So he supported it against the banyan tree in order to prevent it from falling. So this is what propped means. So what he did, he propped that mirror against the banyan tree, and the judge placed 10,000 rupees in front of the mirror. So in front of the mirror, the judge placed 10,000 rupees. Now what was inside the mirror? There was a image of 10,000 rupees. Can you see in the picture? So he called for Danny. Venki borrowed the money from you in a dream, right? Right, said Venki. The judge said, all right, take the cash you see in the mirror. So the judge told Danny, because Venki borrowed the money from you in your dreams, so you take the money that you can see in the mirror. So what was there in the mirror? It was just the image of 10,000 rupees in the mirror. So all the villagers were astonished at the wise judgment of their judge. So all the villagers who were sitting there, they were very surprised. Astonished means very surprised at the clever judgment of their judge. Danny stood ashamed. Danny was very ashamed. Venki was relieved to be free of the problem, and Venki was very glad that he was free of this problem. The villagers praised the prudence of the judge, and all the villagers, they were praising the cleverness of their judge.